Alright, today I'm going to be on the MPC 37. Haven't made a beat on this in a while, but it's probably going to be my last beat on it because I'm going to be gifting it to my nephew. I found out that he has a SP404 and he's starting to make beats, and he was interested in the MPC, so I figured, I'm not really using this much and it was kind of just in the box. I'd gift him this one, which I modded. Has like the retro skin. I put the gray fat pads on this, and then I modded the screen to be tilted up, and then rounded it off with these wooden panels, which really gives it that vintage synth look. But anyways, I just wanted to do one last beat on this MPC 37 key and just do a random beat today. So I got a new project open here. Let's start with like a guitar. Load one of my key groups that I've made on the MPC. Let's see. Let's put on my good. It's a big key group. I sampled every note, different velocity layers, but this is how it sounds like. Start an idea around here. Let's see how fast we have. Maybe something faster, like 126. I like to work on the clip matrix view. Okay, let's create a new track. Let's make it 4 measures. Let's mess around here. I kind of had like a melody in mind. Kind of like I'm feeling like a Afrobeat type of beat. Let's see. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. But go somewhere else. That's the chord progression there. How about we change it up to like this? Or wait, before it goes back to the, yeah, so. All right, let's try that. Oops, let me do that again. Let me just adjust some of the notes, like this one right here. Let's nudge him. Let's see. A little bit later. All right, I mean, that's cool for now. I can clean it up later. let's put some drums on it. This is just gonna be a simple beat. Let's load the drums. Let's just pull up one of my kits. All right. Yeah, something like that. I'm used to the MPC Live 3 buttons. There's a lot of shortcuts. Okay. Edit clip. Let's do 4 measures. Something like. Give me some shakers. All right, let's do a section where the kick comes in. This one would just kind of do like a four count. Something like that. Let's try that. I'm hearing like vocal chops. See what I have. Oh, something like. One, two, three, four. Yeah, something like that. So maybe 1, 2, 3. I think it needs like an 808 or a bass line. So let's I got this 808 one shot here. How do you turn this into a key group? I guess like that. So like so yeah, maybe even lower. Let's try. I think this is lasting too long. So how do you do this? LFO, amp envelope. Maybe something like that. So That's the messed up one. That's pretty much it. I mean, I could do different sections, but was a real quick like sketch idea on the MPC 37 Keys 37 using my key groups, the guitar, and the kit I made for this. Well, hope you guys like that. Peace.